Welcome to the future of maintenance and asset management with DreamzCMMS. Today, we're going to explore the comprehensive suite of solutions that DreamzCMMS offers to streamline your operations and boost productivity. At the heart of DreamzCMMS is a powerful asset management system. Effortlessly track and manage your assets, ensuring peak performance and longevity. Utilize unique QR codes, barcodes, or RFID tags for easy tracking and identification. Customers can report incidents remotely and instantly through the DreamzCMMS customer app, WhatsApp, or DreamzCMMS chatbot, ensuring your assets are always in safe hands. Make maintenance a breeze with DreamzCMMS. Our seamless solution ensures your equipment is always in top-notch condition. Say farewell to downtime and unexpected breakdowns through preventive maintenance. Just input asset details, schedule maintenance based on vendor or manufacturer requirements, and let DreamzCMMS take care of the rest. It creates job orders on time, assigning them to the right person promptly. Experience hassle-free maintenance and enhanced operational efficiency. Streamline your workflow with DreamzCMMS's work order management. Easily create, assign, and track work orders for enhanced organizational efficiency. Whether it's reacting to customer requests or triggering automatic orders through incident reporting, our AI tool monitors the request stream. It autonomously creates and assigns work orders to technicians based on skill, location, or availability, ensuring a smooth operational process. Keep your procurement process in check with purchase order management. DreamzCMMS allows you to manage and track all your purchase orders efficiently, manage RFQ, and compare, issue purchase invoice, and process payment, ensuring a smooth supply chain. Take control of your inventory with DreamzCMMS. Our inventory management system helps you optimize stock levels, reduce costs, and eliminate unnecessary wastage. You can do periodic stock cycle count, and with our RFID solution, your stock take time is effectively reduced by 70%. No more pause in production due to lengthy stock take. Promptly address issues with DreamzCMMS's work request and incident management feature. Empower your team to efficiently report and resolve incidents, ensuring a safe and productive environment. For organizations with a mobile workforce, DreamzCMMS offers robust field service management. Seamlessly manage field operations, improve response times, and elevate customer satisfaction. Empower field agents with task details, time logging, proof of work, and feedback capabilities. This ensures efficient service delivery and effective management of legislation exceeding customer expectations. Need to rent out equipment? DreamzCMMS has you covered with our asset rental solution. Easily manage rentals, track availability, and maximize the utilization of your assets. You can price assets based on customers, events, and create invoice based on the orders received. Tracking of assets becomes much simpler with DreamzCMMS. Our RFID solution and returning or tracking damage of your assets are not a problem anymore. Embrace the future with DreamzCMMS's RFID solutions. Enhance security, streamline asset tracking, and experience the efficiency of our RFID technology. By tagging assets, gain real-time insights into their location and movement. DreamzCMMS unlocks endless possibilities with our RFID. Elevate your sales operations using DreamzCMMS's field sales module. Empower your sales team with efficient tools for quicker deal closures. With the DreamzCMMS app, your field force can collect data, log work, issue inventory, send quotes, and create invoices for seamless payment collection, all within a single app. Explore AI with DreamzCMMS for enhanced decision-making. Our generative AI solutions optimize work order management, incident management, and maintenance scheduling. Build a knowledge base with AI tools, aiding technicians for prompt issue resolution, reducing service time. Leverage customer sentiment analysis to stay proactive with customer feedback, taking decisive actions. DreamzCMMS AI is multilingual and versatile, accessing feedback from various sources, including email, call, message, or in-app communication, based on your configuration. Connect seamlessly with DreamzCMMS's IoT portal to harness the power of data for predictive maintenance. Utilize IoT sensors like temperature, vibration, or smart energy meters to monitor machinery in real time. Set parameters through the IoT portal for anomaly detection and leverage AI-driven smart workflows to generate predictive work orders, preventing operational disruptions. Achieve financial harmony with DreamzCMMS's accounting integration, seamlessly streamlining processes and ensuring accuracy. Integrated with industry-leading accounting solutions like QuickBooks, Xero, and Sage, and compatible with payment processors such as Stripe, Razorpay, and PhonePe. DreamzCMMS allows you to collect payments on the go and update core accounting effortlessly. DreamzCMMS not only integrates with accounting software, but is also a partner with SAP, Microsoft Dynamics, and Oracle NetSuite. It complements existing ERP systems, bringing automation to workflows and synchronizing data in real time. This ensures that management stays well informed, simplifying organizational decision-making. Informed decision-making is further facilitated by DreamzCMMS's business intelligence reports. With over 200+ industry-standard reports covering aspects of asset, maintenance, and field service, you can leverage Power by Analytics to create smart reports, drill down for detailed analysis, and share insights seamlessly within the application. Gain valuable operational insights with DreamzCMMS Analytics, empowering your team for better decision-making and effective operation management. DreamzCMMS, where innovation meets efficiency. Revolutionize your operations, enhance productivity, and embrace a future of seamless asset and maintenance management. Visit DreamzCMMS.com to discover more. Dream big with DreamzCMMS.